Protect your furniture in style with these top-rated slipcovers. The best couch covers for leather couches offer a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and non-slip design, keeping your leather sofa safe from spills, scratches, and everyday wear. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. VANSOFY couch cover for leather couches. The VANSOFY couch cover for leather couches is an exceptional choice for protecting your recliner while maintaining comfort and aesthetics. Crafted with durability in mind, this couch cover features a 4-layer fabric construction that includes a 100% waterproof layer, making it highly effective at preventing spills, pat messes, and general moisture damage. It's especially well suited for households with kids or pets, and it remains breathable, so you won't feel hot or sticky during warmer months. Even after multiple machine or hand washes at 30 degrees Celsius, the cover retains its shape and functionality. What really sets this VANSOFY cover apart is its anti-slip design, tailored specifically for leather furniture. The colloid design on the back provides grip, while the elastic straps with round buckles ensure the cover stays securely in place, even on slick surfaces. There's also a great convenience factor. 3 utility pockets on both sides let you store your remote, phone, or magazine within easy reach. The armrest length is just right, not too long to drag on the floor, and not too short to compromise on protection. Installation is simple with the one-piece design. Just drape it over, secure the back straps, and tuck in the seams for a clean, snug fit. Whether you're dealing with puppy slobber, bite marks, or accidental spills from the kids, this cover provides a reliable layer of defense. Number 2. Ruaozz couch cover for leather couches. The Ruaozz couch cover for leather couches is a well-crafted and highly functional option for safeguarding your 3-seater recliner sofa. It's designed to deliver full protection against spills, stains, pet fur, and general wear and tear, all while enhancing your couch's look. With a seat width fit of 76.8 inches, it offers broad coverage and is perfect for larger reclining furniture. This cover is made from 4 layers of premium quilted fabric with a waterproof polyester outer layer and a thick, soft interior that's gentle to the touch. This makes it an excellent pick for homes with pets and kids. The cover is built to last and resists scratching, staining, and slipping, even on slippery leather surfaces. Anti-slip technology is a standout feature here. It includes a round colloid backing, elastic straps to secure the top and back of the couch, plus additional foam strips and a seat band with round buckles. These combined features ensure the cover stays firmly in place, offering peace of mind even during high activity. Practicality doesn't end there. The Ruaozz couch cover includes utility pockets on both sides for storing essentials like remotes, phones, or reading materials. Installation is fast and straightforward thanks to the one-piece design, and maintenance is a breeze. It's machine washable in cold water, 30 degrees, and hang drying is recommended to preserve its quality over time. However, the elastic straps are best hand washed to prevent damage. This Ruaozz cover delivers both function and style. Number 3. KinCam couch cover for leather couches. The KinCam couch cover for leather couches offers a balanced blend of comfort, protection, and style for recliner owners looking to preserve their furniture. Made from high-quality waterproof polyester, this cover has a soft yet durable feel that makes it perfect for households with pets, kids, or frequent guests. Its interior is filled with soft, breathable fabric, which enhances the sitting experience without sacrificing durability. Not only does it guard against spills and stains, but it also helps repel pet hair and dirt, which is essential for maintaining a clean and inviting home. One of the standout features of the KinCam couch cover is its stay-in-place design. It utilizes upgraded non-slip backing with large grip particles to ensure it stays securely on leather furniture, a common challenge for many slipcovers. Elastic straps and foam sticks further stabilize the cover, reducing bunching or shifting even with regular use. Installation is refreshingly easy. Simply drape the cover over your recliner, tuck in the extra fabric, and secure it using the included foam inserts and straps. It accommodates recliner couches with widths up to 76.8 inches, and it's available in multiple color options to complement different home aesthetics. This makes it a stylish choice as much as a practical one. Maintenance is also simple, machine washable at temperatures under 30 degrees, and air dries without fuss.
Number 4. Ruaozz Recliner Couch Cover for Leather Couches. The Ruaozz Recliner Couch Cover for Leather Couches stands out with its premium stretch fit design and total protection features, making it an excellent choice for keeping your furniture in top shape. Designed to fit recliner couches between 69 to 91 inches in seat width, it comes with an elastic bottom band and additional corner straps that secure it firmly in place, even on slick leather surfaces. The jacquard knitted fabric, composed of 88% polyester and 12% spandex, is breathable, soft to the touch, and highly elastic, making it both functional and visually appealing. This cover offers more than just surface-level coverage. Its three-piece design provides full protection, safeguarding not just the seat and backrest, but also the armrests. Unlike traditional slipcovers that require foam stakes to hold excess fabric in place, the Ruaozz version fits neatly without added tools, reducing installation time and hassle. The cover even includes utility pockets on each side, allowing you to conveniently store remotes, magazines, or mobile devices within reach. Beyond aesthetics and comfort, it serves as a durable barrier against spills, stains, pet hair, and everyday wear, preserving your investment in high-quality furniture. Installation is a breeze and can be done in minutes. When it comes to cleaning, the Ruaozz cover is machine washable in cold water, 30 degrees Celsius or less, though it's advised to use a laundry bag for added longevity. Air drying is best, and ironing or bleaching should be avoided. Number 5. VClife Couch Cover for Leather Couches. The VClife couch cover for leather couches offers a unique bohemian charm paired with practical functionality, making it a versatile addition to any home. Crafted from high-quality chenille fabric, it is soft, breathable, and skin-friendly, while also being resistant to fading, shrinking, and pet fur. This cover fits 2 cushioned love seats and medium sofas ranging from 60 to 75 inches, with a large 71 by 118 in size that ensures comprehensive coverage. One of the major highlights of this cover is its installation simplicity. It can be draped over the sofa like a throw blanket and arranged in just 10 seconds. No elastic straps, foam stakes, or tucking are required, making it an excellent choice for those seeking hassle-free setup and removal. Despite its minimal design, the anti-slip backing helps keep it from sliding off even on smooth leather surfaces. This multifunctional piece doubles as a furniture protector and a decorative throw. The reversible design features a modern cream and khaki geometric pattern that add a warm boho aesthetic to your living space. It can also serve as a bedspread, tablecloth, picnic mat, or even a wall tapestry, making it ideal for homeowners who value flexible decor. The VClife couch cover is also easy to maintain, machine washable on a low temperature cycle, and best air dried to maintain its shape and softness. Just avoid bleach and ironing to preserve its longevity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.